Hi, my name is Karen Michelle, also known as Mrs. M1ZZ3Z. That's how you can find me on Instagram. Be sure to go ahead and follow me there for a chance to win a giveaway. And there's more information about that on my Instagram account. This is going to be a 5-minute or less hair tutorial on how to do a messy French braid. So pretty much that's all I got to say about that. So we're just going to get into the video here. This is a good style to do on hair that is naturally dried, or it's been a couple days since you washed your hair. This is a really good style to do on, pretty much dirty hair or towel dried hair. Now, to make a French braid, it's pretty much the same thing as making a regular braid, except for you're going to weave the hair in. So first you'll want to go through the front. And the reason why I'm not using a comb is because this is a messy braid. So I don't need a comb to do a messy braid. Now you want to use a smaller hair tie than what I'm using. You'll want to use a little rubber band, like the little tiny rubber band hair ties. I don't have one, so I'm just going to use a regular hair tie. Alright, so what you'll want to do is you'll want to kind of loosen it up a little bit, but don't go too much into it. And one thing I'm going to add is these little hair things. You can buy them at Walmart. These are good, especially for somebody who has darker hair and you really want the braid to show up a little bit better. You just kind of screw those in there. But you'll want the front to be a little bit messy. And if you have bangs like me, you'll want to pull them back, push them forward a little bit. Oh my god, this is a very hard bobby pin. Pull it forward, push it back. Depending on what kind of bobby pin you have will determine whether or not you need one or two. Okay, so I went ahead and put the diamonds in my hair off camera. So I'm going to turn around here. So if you have shorter hair, what you're going to do is, let's say by shorter I mean like it cuts off about right here. What you're going to do is take all that hair and just tuck it in like that. And that's going to be your reverse braid. And you won't have all this hair sticking out. Now if you have longer hair like me, you can't really do a reverse braid because obviously the hair is too long and it'll look funny. The best thing you could do is you can pull it up forward and you can roll it into one of those little flower things that people do. And the way you do that is you just kind of put a bobby pin right here, make sure this is pointing down, and then you just kind of roll it up. And then depending where you want it placed, you could place it here, you could have it placed in the back, wherever you want it placed. For now, I'm just gonna rock a braid. So that's pretty much how to do a French braid / reverse braid. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and you can follow me on Instagram. My handle's M1ZZ3Z, and I put out videos whenever I feel like it. So yep.